Let's talk about the best hair tools for traveling. Actually, perfect timing for this question because the spring Sephora sale starts tomorrow, so everything is 10 to 30% off. This hair straightener, number one, is the best hair straightener on the market. It is a little pricey, but it is 1000% worth it. I went to Europe for a month with just a carry-on, and I still brought the hair straightener because that's how important it is. It has all kinds of fancy, smart prediction technology to ensure the color of your hair is protected and the quality of your hair. It's won over 50 global beauty awards, including 3 Allure Best of Beauty awards. It heats up fully in like 10 seconds, and then after 30 minutes of non-use, it turns itself off, so you don't have to worry about setting anything on fire. I think it's one of those things where you don't really understand how kind of life-changing and great it is until you actually use it. If you want a travel size straightener, this travel size one from T3 seems to be the best option right now. It says it offers full styling capability in a portable size, meaning it's just as powerful as a full-size one. I used to have a travel size one from Babyliss that I also linked here. It's only $35, so it's not the best quality thing in the entire world, but it might be a good option for some of you. For curling irons, this long barrel one is life-changing if you have long hair. It's definitely the best curling iron I've ever used. I find my hair does not get damaged at all when I use this. My curls last forever, and it takes like half the time because of the long barrel. If you want a cheap one, you don't have to worry about losing or damaging while in Europe. These Connor ones are actually pretty good. For hair dryers, I don't actually travel with one of those, but I did a bunch of research and rounded up the 2 best options for you. First, this one from T3 is by far the best option that I found. It is a pricier option for a travel size hair dryer, but if you are trying to avoid hair damage, which I assume you are, by far you have to go with that one. If you want a cheap option that, again, you don't care if it gets stolen or broken, this one seems like the best bet on Amazon right now. It's only $35. Keep in mind you do need to use a power converter when using your US hair tools in Europe. Most converters are not going to support hair tools, so you got to look for one that specifically covers hair tools. I linked with these 3 of the best-selling options on Amazon. It's really easy to find one that covers curling irons and hair straighteners. It's less easy to find a good one that covers hair dryers. If you don't bring your own hair dryer and you do decide to use the one at the hotel or the Airbnb, just grab the color Wow Dream Coat spray, and that'll ensure your hair looks beautiful. If you want links to any of these products, you can go over to my profile and click the link in my bio right here, ckanani.com/TikTok. Let me know if you want any other Sephora sale recommendations.